Welcome to our podcast, where we cover unique and interesting stories for you. In this episode, we will discuss how the moon's surface oxygen could sustain billions for 100,000 years. If a new study could be believed, the moon's surface has enough oxygen to keep billions of people alive for around 100,000 years. Moon's regolith is made up of approximately 45% oxygen. The regolith is easily accessible on the surface of the satellite. Around 1 cubic meter of lunar regolith contains 1.4 tons of minerals on average. It includes about 630 kilos of oxygen. As per NASA, humans need to breathe about 800 grams of oxygen in a day to survive. So, 630 kilos oxygen can keep a person alive for around 2 years. If the average depth of the regolith on the moon is about 10 meters, then all of the oxygen can be extracted from it. In a nutshell, the top 10 meters of the moon's surface can provide enough oxygen to support 8 billion people on Earth for around 100,000 years. It also depends on how effectively we can extract and use the oxygen. The moon has an atmosphere, but it's very thin and composed mostly of hydrogen, neon, and argon. It cannot sustain oxygen-dependent mammals, such as humans. But there is actually plenty of oxygen on the moon, but not in a gaseous form. It's trapped inside a regolith, the layer of rock and fine dust that covers the moon's surface. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay connected for more exciting discussions and updates in our next podcast.